back to Bush Kitchens. Yes, I said it, the Bush Kitchens, because I want to do maybe sometimes cooking channels on here. So today we are making chicken rolls. I've just made that word up. Basically, we're going to bang the hell out of this chicken, put some yummy food inside and roll it up. It's absolutely delicious. If you don't want to use the bag or anything, then you can just wrap up a rolling pin so it doesn't stick to the meat, or you can actually have the actual meat hammer. So now we're done with the hammering. We're going to put some dried garlic, some salt and some pepper. That's very optional, so don't feel like you have to do that. And then I will top that off with some cheese and some ham. If you are using a knife and you're young, please make sure that you are accompanied by an adult or get an adult to do it for you. Safety comes first. And so yeah, on goes the cheese. Now that the ham's on, we're going to start rolling it. So you might need a little bit of help because it could be quite fiddly, but if it does show like it's breaking, just keep rolling, it's fine. It will come together at the end. So we're just going to roll that up nice and tight, and then get on with the next one. But this is what it should look like afterwards. After this, I made some breadcrumbs. So it was quite a challenge really, because I've never really made it before, but you know, I made it in the end. I put some mixed herbs and garlic in there. Then I got some potatoes and I decided to grate them because my dad has hash browns and they're a lot different to ours, so I thought I'd give them a go. It was quite tricky actually. So I thought I'd put them in this colander and then put it in a bowl and fill it up with water just to keep them wet till I was ready to cook them. And well, I think they turned out all right. After that, I put a couple of eggs in a jug and I whisked it up to make the egg where you dip it into the breadcrumbs. I think I should have done flour first, because obviously you'll see that the breadcrumbs didn't actually stick very well and they look a bit bubbly because yes, I used electric one to mix the eggs up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, for the first time for me, and also show you how I'm going to roll the egg in the egg yolk. It was really disgusting. But anyways, and then into the breadcrumbs, just getting as much as I can on there. That was probably the best looking one of them all, which was really nice. So I'm just gonna do the rest of them right now. Try and hurry up if I can. So the next one's going in. Just be mindful that I haven't pinned these closed, so they can unravel if they want to. So just be mindful that don't let go of them. But yeah, they turned out really well in the end and I'm really quite proud of myself. So here they are all done. Now I'm just going to fry these up a little bit I ended up sticking everything in the oven and putting them back in the fryer at the end. And yeah, it was quite delicious. I do recommend this. Try it and let me know how you get on. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.